Now, Troy, what are we going to do today? Yeah, this is the 11. It's got the 6-cylinder in it. That's a dirty word there. That one right there. What do you plan on doing? Do you know how much he said that sensor was? I'm going to tell you. 900. You got to take the cylinder out to change it. Because it won't level by itself. I'm putting Troy on camera.
It's going to cost you.
Yeah. And then there's a weld in the hydraulic. What do you like? There's a crack in the tank. I haven't done a video in a couple of days at least. So, no, there's big wall in there too. You. Yeah, it's right back there somewhere. Just gonna let her drip for a while. They got mudded out even on January the 3rd. There's the inspector too. Are you the chief inspector? Look at it. You ain't paying attention. Are you the chief inspector?
No.
You're on camera now.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing a video for YouTube. That fell right out?
You'll never believe it.
You didn't have to pry it out? Is that moisture on there? Fuel or is that freeze? That sounds like oil. Fuel. Crumbs. You say number 4, huh? We're going with number 4. Oh yeah. She's all vet inside. Remember to check the turbo too when you, because of the antifreeze going through it.
That's not bad.
No, it ain't like one of them EGR ones. All right, I'm gonna shut this off now. You got anything smart to say? Wow. Filth.
No, I have nothing smart to say.
All right. We'll come back when we got the head off. Right? It's like a dandelion. Pop the head off.